I'm a nice person and stuff. But I wish that I could, like, make connections better. Or keep them or something, I don't know. Two of my coworkers just went to lunch together. And I did run into them before they went. I've known the one for a month and the other one for a week. They're both boys, and maybe that's the issue. I'm the only girl. But I thought we were friends. I don't know. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm just in my head. I was on a horse at the time when I ran into them. And I said, "What are you guys doing?" And looking back, he said lunch. And I thought he said drugs, so I was making a joke. I was like, "Oh, drugs?" But I'm not doing drugs. He might be doing drugs. And that was it. So maybe in hindsight, I could have asked to go, but I don't want to ask. I was just under the impression that we were all friends. I'm just the type to invite anyone and everyone to anything, ever. The more the merrier. Growing up, my mom always told me, don't exclude anybody. There's somebody left out, you go get them. bit sad about it, but it's not like I need to be their friend. It's just like makes me think like, oh, do they not like me? Like, am I annoying to them? And even if I was, who cares? Dang it. I think I should just chalk it up to me being on a horse. And them probably wanting to go in that moment. I saw them. Yesterday, it's so weird how timeline works. I'm making this video, and the last time I made videos, I was smoking cigarettes. But you guys don't really know that last September I quit. Cold turkey, I quit. I started zenning, and I like the zens. But yesterday, I asked my other coworker for a cigarette. He gave me 2. So that was nice of him, but I might go do that. But it's just weird because like the headspace that I'm in right now, similar to when I was making the videos. I deleted all of my camera roll so that I would have storage to make videos, and that's kind of why I wasn't. I have 128 gigabytes. And even somehow after deleting all my photos, I only have 500. I still don't have storage. It doesn't make sense. I know there are people out there that would want to be my friend. So like it's cool. But I'm just a rancher now. Yes, certified rancher. And we don't have much availability to go meet friends, so it kind of feels like those would be my friends in theory. But like Rosa Parks said, nobody can make you feel inferior without your consent. Ah. Yeah. I think since the time you guys saw me last, I've had a boyfriend, and I'm single now. And that boyfriend wants to get back together. And I was seeing someone else also after that first boyfriend. But the first boyfriend gave me herpes. So that was really cool. And I think when I was seeing the second guy, I was breaking out. And I had no idea what it was. So I was honest and I was open about like what's going on. And he knew everything. And then we did end up hooking up after I had said, like, I still need one more test. He was really drunk, so I don't really know. But then the next day, I went to the doctor for like the third time just to make sure because we had just hooked up. And that doctor said that he thinks it's herpes and he gave me medicine for it. So I went to his house and I told him that, and he never spoke to me again. So that was really sad because I really liked him, but like, eh. And so ever since me and my ex broke up, he's been wanting to get back together with me. Look how much I ate. Can you tell? It's like to here. Probably a good 3 servings. Well, 6 servings in the whole thing. But the top is wider than the bottom. Probably like almost 2.5. I mean, yeah. Wait. I don't understand. I thought I just understood. But I don't think I do. Whatever. 12 grams of protein per serving. Probably just 8. 2.5. 25 grams of protein and cottage cheese.